What is trading? Trading is the process of strategically using your capital to grow wealth and achieve your financial objectives. But here's the catch. Trading isn't gambling, and it's definitely not guessing. It's a skill. And like any skill, it takes time, discipline, and the right mindset to master. The three real ingredients behind trading success. If you want to succeed in trading, you need three key ingredients. Capital control. It is about protecting your trading account. Great traders don't just think about how much they can make, they obsess over how much they could lose. What it means in practice, you only risk a small percentage of your capital on each trade, usually 1 to 2%. You always use stop losses to limit potential damage. You size your positions properly so no single trade can hurt your account. You focus on survival first, because if you blow up your account, the game is over. Trading is not about hitting home runs. It's about protecting your capital and playing the long game. Trading system. A trading system is your rule-based process for making trades. It defines what to trade, when to enter, when to exit, and why. What your system should include. A clear setup. For example, trading breakouts, pullbacks, or trend reversals. Entry and exit rules. Conditions that must be met before you act. Strategy type. Are you day trader, swing trader, or position trader? Tools. Indicators, chart patterns, or price action methods you trust. Consistency is key. A good system removes emotion and makes trading repeatable. Trader mindset. This is the most underestimated ingredient, but it's often the reason traders fail. Your mental discipline decides whether you stick to your plan or spiral out emotionally. Fear and greed are your biggest enemies. They'll make you chase losses or exit too early. Patience and discipline are your best allies. Learn to wait for your setup. Follow your plan, no matter what. Don't let one loss break your confidence, and don't let one win make you overconfident. Think long-term. Trading is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. If you don't control your emotions, the market will control you.